Offers are created every single day, and most of them fail. Not all of them make money, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that people don't have the clarity they need to create a successful offer. You may have even tried to make money online. You've maybe tried to create an offer and it failed somewhere. After helping people online make hundreds of thousands of dollars from successful offers, I've narrowed it down to this simple step. And it is the ability to answer these 7 questions before creating their offer. So if you go through this video today and you're able to answer these 7 questions, by the end of this video, you're going to have everything you need to go ahead and create a successful offer. When you answer this first question, you are going to be able to have the full understanding of the method and the format that you're choosing on creating how you're going to make money online. This is one of those questions where you really need to understand because it is going to be how you create and structure your offer and how you're going to show up with your offer. So, if you're an action taker, what I want you to do after each question is pause the video, sit down, and write the answer. That way, when you're at the very end of this video, you have all the answers already done for you and you can go ahead and get started with making an offer. So, the first question is, why are you choosing a community? Why this model instead of coaching, courses, or content? What do you want from a community? Like, what do you want from this space that other models cannot give to you? Now that you've answered why you're choosing a community, we're going to go into the second question, which is going to really help you narrow down what the reason is for creating a community, what your offer is going to be about, so that you're not second guessing when you go into this and you're not trying to pivot while you're creating something. This is giving you the solid stance to continue creating. So the second question is, what problem do you care about solving? What do people already come to you for? What have you figured out that others are still struggling with? What pain would you help solve even if nobody paid you yet? Now that you've answered what problem you care about solving, we're going to go into the next question, which is going to help make sure that you're aligned and not disconnected with your community. So the third question is, who do you actually want to help? Not a persona, not an age group. Who do you respect enough to show up for consistently? Who are the real people you want to see win? Now that you've answered who you actually want to help, we're going to go into this next question, which is going to help you understand why people are going to pay you rather than doing it for themselves. So, question number 4 is, what gives you leverage? What shortcut, system, or insight do you bring to the table? What would make someone say, that just saved me months? Now that you've answered question 4, this next question is the answer that every single client that I have on that's made money online has been able to answer and has helped them ensure that their people are paying them money month after month and they're telling their friends about it. So question number 5 is, what result can you help someone get in 30 days? Not the full transformation, just the first clear win. What happens inside your community that is going to build belief and momentum? Now that you know what result you're going to be able to help someone get in 30 days, this next question is going to help push you outside of your comfort zone so that you're able to fully resonate with your community and draw people in. So, question number 6 is, what message needs to be said? What truth are others avoiding? What do you say behind the scenes that your audience actually needs to hear? Now that you've stepped out of your comfort zone for that last question, where you're helping others, now I'm going to ask you to step out of the comfort zone and get out of your ego and get out of your head of what you think should be the answer and answer this question with full honesty because it's going to be the reason that you create the offer that is going to carry you on even when times get tough. Because you know what? That happens to everybody. So, question number 7 is, what makes this worth it to you? Why are you building this? What outcome would make you want to keep showing up? Remember, be completely transparent on this last question and answer it no matter even if you think it's not a good answer. If you've made it this far through the video, then I trust that you're an action taker and you paused the video and answered and thought through these questions. If you've gotten through all 7 of these questions and you have clear answers to them, you have fully completed the first step of creating a successful offer. The next part is taking these answers and putting them into an offer, and then the final step, of course, is gonna be pricing the offer. If you're liking the style of a video, please let me know in the comments so I can keep making more videos like this for you.